Happy Friday. Phil Lindemann with your midday news on Krystal 93. When local firefighter Skip Bergbauer passed away at home this summer, he left an unusual legacy. Krystal correspondent Matt Renew of 9 News reports.
He loved, among several things in his life, his family and firefighting, he loved roasting coffee.
Now, Red, White, and Blue Fire is partnered with Cup of Joe and Breck to sell Bergbauer's blends.
They're named after the stations in Breckenridge, and then there's a different kind of medium and dark roast blend.
All proceeds from 3 varieties go back to his family and a college fund for his 2 young daughters. Find those beans at Cup of Joe. Summit Public Health confirms a COVID outbreak of at least 13 kids at Summit Middle School, the biggest local outbreak since mid-March of 18 students at the middle school. First students got sick nearly 3 weeks ago, and some were going to school up to 4 days with symptoms. There could be more cases. This is the first outbreak in Summit since 10 kids at Keystone Science School from early September. For the first time in 15 months, Frisco tax receipts were not shattering records, merely beating them. The town collected just over $1 million in August, less than 1% higher than last year, the previous record. Retail, restaurants, pot, and liquor were down in August. Hotels, vacation rentals, and auto service were all up. We've been talking to candidates for Summit School Board, like Pat Mosier, a veteran educator from Texas who recently moved to Silverthorne to be next to her newborn grandchild.
If I'm going to fix it all by myself, absolutely not. After 35 years, I thought I was done, but I just can't sit on the sidelines when I know I could help.
Tune in all next week at 4 and 5 p.m. for our exclusive interviews with the candidates. Summit Public Radio and TV is halfway through replacing a transmitter power line in Breck, but Phase 2 won't be easy or cheap. The station finished Phase 1 recently on Baldy Mountain, burying the power line along the dirt road there. Phase 2 keeps following the road and its meandering switchbacks above tree line, but SCTV wants to cut straight up the slope instead. They are working now with landowners and the Forest Service for approval. Colorado is one of the friendliest states in the nation. This from an unscientific report by MoneyWise. Colorado is top 25 for most courteous drivers and customers. New York is the rudest, followed by Virginia and Washington State. MoneyWise was looking at auto insurance data like tailgating and how often people blow through stop signs, and how well they are treating their servers and clerks. In sports, the Avalanche lost to the Stars yesterday, 3-1. Tonight, the Nuggets play the Timberwolves at 7. On Sunday, the Broncos face the Steelers at 11 on Fox. And in local sports, Summit High Soccer lost to Vail Mountain School yesterday, 1-0. Today, Tigers Cross Country is running at the North Glen meet. Tomorrow, football plays Glenwood Springs at home at 1 p.m. Summit Girls Rugby is in Salt Lake City for the Pink Sevens tournament. And on Sunday, the high school mountain bike team races the Granby Ranch Roundup. Phil Lindemann, Krystal, 93 News.